Good morning, friends. Let's draw some circles today. Let's start by circling our head. Other way. Draw a teeny tiny circle with your finger like you're drawing the letter O. Good. Try it with your other finger. Now both wrists. Circle your elbows. Whole arms. Lift up one foot. Circle your foot. Bend your knee. Circle the lower part of your leg. Big circle. Don't fall over. Other foot. Small circle. Bend your knee. See if you can keep your balance. Medium circle. What about a great big circle? Stretch your arms and legs out. Draw a big circle with your whole body. Other direction. Bring your feet together. Let's make circles with our arms. Circle in front of you. Circle over your head. And then make a low circle. In front of you. Up. Bring the arms down. Nice low circle, standing tall. Good job. Circles remind me a little bit of cycles. Cycles are things that happen over and over again. They happen often in nature. And do you know an animal that goes through a cycle? One is a frog. So we're going to dance about a frog cycle this week. A frog starts out life in a teeny little egg. And then out of the egg comes a tadpole. Some people call them pollywogs. So then the tadpole is just swishing around, but then it grows 2 legs. Then it grows 4 legs and has a long tail. At that stage, it's called a froglet. Eventually, the tail gets shorter, 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 and then you have a mature frog. So we're going to dance about that this week. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.